Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. Repeat after me. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, 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 Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. Let's put them together. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. Again. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Ar-Rahim. Together. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. One last time. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Ar-Rahim. Together. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. Excellent.
Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Next 12 letters are from the tongue tip. Tha, 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 ta, da, ta, za, sa, sa, la, na, ra. From the middle are ja, sha, ya. From the edges are da, ka, qa. 6 from the throat. A, ha, a, ha, gha, kha.
Today we will be friends with 3 more letters, inshallah. The first letter is ba. Ba is a very special Arabic letter. It is not there in any other language. It is very thick and its shape is like that of a tongue. You touch the side of the tongue, you get the sound of ba. Basically, it has a very unique sound that has to be produced from inside of our mouth. And inshallah, we'll see how we will do it. If you take a look at the tongue, you have the shape in front of you on the screen. You can see that it looks like a tongue and you have a dot. So, if you put anything on the letter ba, the round thing, that becomes ba. Say it like ba. The above shape that you can see here looks like a tongue that is touching either the right side or the left side of your tongue, and you take it to the upper part of your jaw and pronounce ba. Ba. Children, do you see anything that looks like ba around you? Can you make ba with your hand? Well, don't expect me to tell you. I want all of you to try to see if you can find and explore by yourselves. Let me now show you how to write ba. It's simple and a lot of fun. Let me take my marker board and my marker and show you how to write ba. One more time, let me erase this and show you again. One more time, because this is a little bit crooked. Let's write it one more time and hopefully it will be proper. So we write it like that. Wow, that is much better. Make sure that you write it properly. Very good. Excellent. Ba is produced from the edges of your tongue, the right side and the left side. And you try to say ba, not va, but ba. Can everybody repeat after me? Ba. Excellent. Children, I'm standing here. You don't see my full body, but still you can recognize me. Sometimes ba comes with face only. Its face is only a line with a dot. Line means you have the shape of ba with a dot. Well, when ba is playing with friends, he likes to hold his friend's right hand or left hand or both hands, and that's how we can recognize ba. Dear children, let us now move and learn the second letter now. The second letter is like the picture that we see here, exactly like the couch in the shape of ka. Ka loves to relax on a couch like this. Ha ha ha. It likes to relax. So its shape is like a couch. Couch, ka. Again, couch, ka. Can everybody feel that? Excellent. Do you see anything around you that looks like ka? Can you make the shape of ka with your hand? Well, something like this, like that. I don't know. You try it. And I'm sure if you explore and think in an imaginative way, I'm sure you can get it, inshallah. Well, it's time for me to show you how to write ka. It's simple and a lot of fun. So let me write ka. Let me write again. Don't make any mistakes. So you have ka like that. Oops, that's not good. Let's try it again. Wonderful. Very good. Now, write with me. It's your turn. Take your pen and paper and start writing. Very good. That is ka. Children, I want you to write in the air as well. You can imagine that the air in front of you is a board and your finger is the pencil. So write a straight line, go to the left, stop, and put a small hamza in between, and that is your ka. Very good, children. Can you think of saying ka without using your lips? We can't say it. So we need to make sure that we use our mouth properly. Ka. Ka. What was that? Very good. Ka. Now, I'm standing here. You do not see me. But you only see part of my body. You do not see my complete body, but you only see half of my body. And still you know that it's me. Similarly, ka also can come with only half. That means its face. Its face is, you have a line, it goes to the left, and it has a hamza inside it. Well, if ka is playing with friends, he holds his friend with his right hand, or left hand, or both hands. And now, we will try to see if we can recognize in our examples later on, inshallah. Excellent, children. Let us now take the third letter, qa. Qa. Can everybody say qa? Is it hard? No, it's not. Very good. The word Quran. Quran. The word Quran starts with qa. Qa. And you know, if you lift your chin all the way up, lift it all the way up, come down 1 inch from your chin, and you have a bone right there. Just press that lightly. Qa. Qa. That is the exact place from where qa comes from. Very good. Do you see anything that looks like qa around you? Can you make the shape of qa with your hand? Well, explore yourself and have a good time trying to find out how qa looks like. It's time for us to show you how to write qa. Let me take my marker board and my marker. And let me write. That's my qa. One more time. A small circle and a big half circle. Almost a circle. And the two dots. Very good, children. Excellent. Now it's your turn. Why don't you try to do it yourself? Along with me, say along. Qa. Qa. The two dots. Very good. I like it. Let's move forward now. Children, it's so great to teach you how to learn and how to recite the Quran properly. I feel so proud, mashallah, teaching all of you. I'm standing here, you don't see my full body, but still you can recognize me exactly in the same way that I told you in our previous section. Sometimes qa comes with face only. Its face is a small circle, and then you have a half circle with two dots, and that is the shape of qa. When qa is playing with friends, he holds his friend with his right hand or left hand or both hands together. And that's how we can recognize qa. حي على الصلاة. Wow, that was the part of adhan where we invite people to come for prayer. Subhanallah. How amazing it is that we understand what it means. And if you don't, come along, let's learn Arabic with actions. Guess what? We just have to practice what we learned so far in this lesson. So let's go for it. Rabbuhu means his Rabb. Rabbuhum means their Rabb. Rabbuka means your Rabb. Rabbukum means your Rabb. Rabbi means my Rabb. Rabbuna means our Rabb. You want to learn again? Listen to me carefully. Rabbuhu means his Rabb. Rabbuhum means their Rabb. Rabbuka means your Rabb. Rabbukum means your Rabb. Rabbi means my Rabb. Rabbuna means our Rabb. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me in Arabic. Rabbuhu, Rabbuhum. Rabbuhu, Rabbuhum. Rabbuka, Rabbukum. Rabbuka, Rabbukum. Rabbi, Rabbuna. Rabbi, Rabbuna. Rabbuhu, Rabbuhum. Rabbuhu, Rabbuhum. Rabbuka, Rabbukum. Rabbuka, Rabbukum. Rabbi, Rabbuna. Rabbi, Rabbuna. Rabbuhu, Rabbuhum. Rabbuhu, Rabbuhum. Rabbuka, Rabbukum. Rabbuka, Rabbukum. Rabbi, Rabbuna. Rabbi, Rabbuna. Wow. Now repeat with me as I say along. Rabbuhu, Rabbuhum. Rabbuka, Rabbukum. Rabbi, Rabbuna. Again. Rabbuhu, Rabbuhum. Rabbuka, Rabbukum. Rabbi, Rabbuna. Again. Rabbuhu, Rabbuhum. Rabbuka, Rabbukum. Rabbi, Rabbuna. MashaAllah. You have just learned a few words in Arabic, and that too with actions. Keep it up and we will continue very soon. Let us come back to our letter friends and practice. Where is my law? Children, let's play it now, a game with law. He wants to play hide and seek. Let's go find him. The word is daraba. Let me see, where is ba hiding? Who can tell me? What was that? Excellent. It is at the start of the word. Ba. Excellent. How about in this word, al-maghdubi? Who can tell me? Very good. Al-Maghdubi. The ba is right there, the third last letter. Very good, children. How about in this word? Who can tell me where ba is? Very nice. It is at the last. Okay. Now, Ka also wants to play hide and seek. So let's go and find Ka in Kana. Where is Kana? Where is Ka in Kana? Is it at the end? No. How about in the middle? No. Oh, it is at the start. Excellent. Oh, how about this word? Who can tell me? I'm gonna wait. What was that? I can't hear you. I know I can't hear you, but I know that you're saying that it is in the middle. Isn't that right, children? Excellent. How about this word? Is it at the start? No. In the middle? No. In the last. Very good. Well, we don't want to leave Qa alone. We played the game of Where's My with the two letters. Make him feel all alone. So let's play the game of hide and seek with Qa so that he doesn't cry. So let's make everybody happy. How about this word? Qul. Where is Qa? Very good, it is at the start. How about the word? Excellent. You have the first letter alif, then the lam, then you have the ha. So 1, 2, 3. It is the second last letter. Excellent. How about the word khalaqa? Where is qa here? Very nice. It is at the end. Wow, children. I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time. And I'm sure that all of us will see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum.